Today, we will discuss every single detail of how I trade with full top-down analysis. We will analyze many time frames and use our best momentum trading strategy. Okay, time to start now. Today what I want to do is actually a little bit different concept. I want to talk about pattern recognition, seeing things before they happen, catching big rallies before they rally. We will talk about the meme coin today. This coin actually had no offers in the weekly chart that I really enjoyed. But the daily charts were speaking to me, like whispering in my ears to watch it. You can call me now Coin Whisperer. This is why I tweeted this coin today. The first thing I noticed with this coin was this daily price switch, the failure of an imbalance and the following momentum imbalance. This alone tells me how powerful the buyers are. And this gigantic imbalance was a magnificent target. It was basically calling the price to itself. We still have this really nice parabolic liquidity above as for future target and reference. Now, let's dive into the momentum layout. Again, we will use the best indicator we can ever use, ICT High Time Frames indicator, that allows us to see multi-time frame rally points. Let's try to understand the basic pattern in this coin. The earliest rally we can see started right here with the help of these two imbalances. After that, the second rally used triple imbalances to supercharge. In the following rally, another triple supercharged imbalances pushed the price. Then later on, a duo imbalance pushed the fourth rally. And finally, the final crazy move caused by this only 30-minute imbalance. Now, basically, what happens here is a ladder-like rally. Rally, rest, rally. Rally, imbalance, rally. The one strategy that we have been trading for a really long time. Let's go deeper and deeper and try to understand pattern recognition for predicting rallies. This is where I posted a tweet saying meme, basically signaling the meme coin. I honestly hate signaling things because signal services only will make you weak and bad at trading. You should be able to see all these yourself. Once you get used to it, it is not that really hard. Now, as you know, these are the 5 imbalance points which created all the rallies. Now, what I want to do is to see what else we had here. An SR Philip area combined with the imbalance, which boosted the first rally. Then another same pattern, imbalance, SR Philip, and the rally. Now the third rally only used the momentum layout imbalance, so this SR Philip is never used. But the next rally used the SR Philip area with combination of imbalance again. Now at this point, we had this amazing level of data and repeatable pattern. This is why I tweeted the meme coin here. The final rally was obviously coming soon. So, what was the general pattern here? A combination of imbalance and SR Philip points to boost the coin until it fully fills the daily imbalance. Great bias and great momentum. Today I will not talk about the entry. I will leave it as your weekend homework. Okay friends, another educational video ends here. See you next time and please have a great weekend. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.